How do we solve for x in this type of equation? Since the base here is 3, we have to make what we have here, we have to express it in form of 3 power something. So now let's take a look at it. 243. How many times are we going to multiply 3 to give 243? Let's start. If we say 3 times 3, this will give 9. Then times 3, this will give 27, then times 3, this will give 81, then times 3, it will give 243. So how many times did we multiply 3 to get here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the same thing as 3 power 5. So we will now be using this, we'll substitute this for 243, so that now we can have 3 power x to be equal to 3 power 5. Now that we have made the base to be equal, then we have to equate the powers. You can only equate the powers when you have the same base on both sides. So it's just like saying 3 cancel 3. Now we will be left with x on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side. So that means x is equal to 5. From this question, x is equal to 5.